Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the hinge glitch. So materials required: a hinge, a butter block, and last but not least, a chair. Now, first, you have to unanchor everything and place a butter block on your torso. And then you need to place a hinge facing that way and just do that and delete the chair. Now you can use a candy to go faster. So yeah. Then you need to use shift lock, which can be found in the settings, and you just going to spam space, just hold space bar and it's just gonna go.
So that's how you do it, guys. You just make it go and go easy, and this can help you like find treasure like easily. So easy to find treasure, and like stop like that, and like that. See, there's something. Sometimes because of the yellow it might not be range, but that's something you gotta be careful with. And there you can see, guys.
We have made it to the end. Now I'm just going to take it back here and drop. That's here, guys. That's it. That's pretty much it. It gives 113 gold. That's epic. 113 gold is so freaking good. By just holding your space bar, you're getting 130 gold. That's actually nuts. You're just going to do that.
And
once again, made it to the end. And you're gonna touch the chest. Easy. So that's the end of this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, comment something, and I'm going to be doing a Robux giveaway for 15 Robux, so make sure to get ready for that too. So might as well, let's stop the recording here, and thank you guys all for watching. See you guys next time.